swimming through a hole full of anger. I navigate through a wall full of danger. Blinded by the race, sometimes by now I'm pretty sure it's always anticipated. On the other side, my fate's already taken shape, so unleash the hounds. I'm a pessimistic, I'm against the system. I think heaven trying to keep me out. My next move's with a paradise. I'm trapped in a paradigm and I'm barely alive. I'm standing on my own and I've carried this weight for so long. And you know, I cut myself once or twice. Yeah, I'm the negative type. Go ahead, throw your stones. I'm no stranger to a fight. I keep reaching for the sky above. I spat on everybody I love. I give up, come on. I am because
I'm not the man I used to be.
Search and destroy.
Now I want what you took from me.
No rage, no voice.
I can't look, I can't stand the shame.
It's just white noise.
Why won't the well just set me free?
They got me holding my breath, count my steps. They waking me up to see if I slept. And if I get upset, they say there's nothing left they can do. Get some rest and maybe have a better attitude. It's like hitting your head against the wall. I'm beating my chest, and if I do as I told, I'll get another phone call. I pass to the mall so I can be with my people of Walmart. They got no souls except on the bottom of their shoes, and they look at you confused like you wanna use and talk of you like you get it, buddy, but really you just make a great case study. And most call it memories. They plugging me back into reality. There's really nothing more of the story. Feel me, homie, one swing to free me. You look so lovely with your nose all bloody. Now please just leave me in peace. Let me think it's sunny, even if it's raining now. That's why I'm free and finally happy, walking around with my pants down.
I am because
I'm not the man I used to be.
search and destroy.
Now I want what you took from me.
No rage, no voice.
I can't look, I can't stand the shame.
It's just white noise.
Why won't the well just set me free?
What's freedom when you're chained to the wall? Exchange my pain for the freedom of them all. I maintain my balance so my callus doesn't crawl up from the darkness and the keeper of my soul. I can free myself from these shackles and chains. I can feel myself being tackled with pain. I can hear my hell with the crackle of flames. I could see my future being shattered and raped. Doesn't matter what I think or what I could do. I could escape you, but I couldn't. The truth, I wanna run away from everything, but I know that I can't. So I fucking stand here and I sustain the abuse. I wanna renew my existence. Fuck the resistance. Fuck everything and everyone else within distance. I can't be afraid. I fucking gotta be strong. But these are my last words, so help me live on.
You could see me in the darkest hours, soulless souls devoured. My future doesn't hold much for me.